Hey, how's it going, everybody? So today we're going to be doing a cabin air filter install on a 2023 Nissan Frontier. I went with a K&N because I like reusable filters. Just got pretty easy to rewash, and I'm going to be keeping this truck for a long time, so figured why not spend the 50 bucks. So first what we're going to do is we got 2 Phillips screws at the bottom and 3 Phillips screws on the top of the glove box. Alright, so got the 3 screws out. Now what you want to do is you want to pull on it. There's tabs holding it on. Alright. So what we need to get to is the cabin air filter in here, which is right there. It looks like I got a factory Nissan filter, so it's probably never been changed before, most likely. So you can probably sneak this out. Well, actually, doesn't look too bad. You could probably sneak one out and sneak one back in if you have a regular paper filter, but I don't think that's gonna work for the K&N. It's not gonna sneak through there. So we're gonna have to remove this fuse panel, which it looks like there's a tab right here and a tab on the bottom. So let's see here. So let me get that out of the way real quick. Apparently it goes in just like that. And there we go. Now we got a clip in the glove box. Alright, and that, just like that, we're done. Make sure when you get your glove box in here that you fish the corner in first. That way it goes behind this trim panel, and then make sure you fish your finger right behind the weather stripping to make it fit in there correctly. Otherwise it was pretty straightforward putting the glove box back on. Anyway, if this video was helpful, let me know, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.